So I'm changing out the gear fluids in the powerstroke, and on these Dana 50 twin traction beams, only way to change this front fluid is kind of dumb. Got to pull the whole thing apart. There's not a drain plug or a cover that you can take off. It's kind of weird. So I'm just pumping it out with this little hand pump siphon deal. So fun stuff. So gonna start refilling the twin traction beam Dana 50 up with some 75 140 severe gear in the easy pack. These packs are the whole reason I decided to try out the amsoil, just because normal bottles kind of suck ass to refill these things. So I don't know if I can record it. I'm on my phone alone in the shop, but I'll let you know if it's easier, and I'll try to get something to figure out some way to record it for you guys. That was definitely the bottle of oil, not me. But yeah, these bags are kind of nice. Way better than the old crappy way with the hard bottles. So that's 1 quart in the Dana 50. Not really sure how much it takes. I think it takes 2 or 3. Here's the inside of my Sterling 10 1/4. I don't know if it's recording. My camera's going weird. Battery's almost dead, but it's not looking too bad. The oil fairly clear for gear oil. Just getting all the old gunk cleaned up off the edges, that stuff, so I can get a good seal on it. A couple days later from the last video, had to wait for a lock and lube gasket for this, but yeah, just got a little bit more scrubbing to do. The towels are just to keep some of the grit and gunk out of the diff there, so it doesn't stay in there and get all the new oil all gross. Just draining the ZF5-47 out to put in the new amsoil transmission fluid. See if it helps with my 3rd and 4th gear synchros. Probably won't, but what can it hurt? And I did a single mass flywheel on this quite a while ago, and what was it, a Luke dual friction clutch, because I completely destroyed the dual mass flywheel. All springs were broken, ball bearings were coming out of it. all kinds of cool stuff. So that was kind of hiding part of my synchro issue, and hoping that the new fluid will kind of help it shift a little smoother.